Holland. Did you see the stop sign? That's a red light runner. Seems like a mass hole left. That was a mass hole left. Here's another mass hole making a left. Screw you all. No, that looks like a red light runner.
Quote, categorically false. Kerry has endorsed former VP Joe Biden. Speaking of campaign 2020, today's topics say in Iowa, the country's first contest of the election.
You have enough crap on your dashboard, dude? No, that's a green arrow. Yep. Reverse of shame. Yep. No, that wasn't really a stop now, was it? No. A new breed. Ferocious and wild. Did he run the stop over there? Soul survivor. And there's just one thing you got to know. You can't run or ride on red, you home.
14 to work as one. My portfolio's diversified. 401ks max.
Am I gonna go? Okay. Yeah, stop, dear. Thank you. Terribly sorry for holding you up. Mail truck runs the stop sign. Yeah, that's an asshole move, Mr. Mailman. Yeah, and step up for your turn. Is inside your ugly inside. That's a stop sign. I think that was two. That definitely was. There's another one. Yeah, that wasn't really a stop either. Yeah, whatever that was. Did he stop over there? Because I don't think he's going to stop here. Yes, she did. Okay. See, there's a roll, and there's a roll, and I think that was a roll. That's a roll. Oh boy, here we go. I'm looking to the left. You're gonna use your signal, dummy. There's a roll. That's it, kids. Just walk right in front of, in front of a green light. God, it's Malden. Yellow, red. He ran the right on 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 red. He ran the turn on red. Yep, you can wait. Fuck y'all. He ran the red. There we go. Yep. Very important you are. I'm sure. Don't. That was a stop sign, caddy. I wonder who this dealer is. Douche. Oh, good. You get cut off by the Odyssey. Ha ha ha. This Camry behind me is not going to stop. Yeah, because Camry. Did he just do what I think he just did? Slow the fuck down, lady. Jesus. Could you get off my fucking tail, lady? Really? Really? Yeah, roll stop, of course. Jesus Christ.
These streets just keep getting worse and worse.
Go! Not in the mood, dude. Not in the mood. Let me guess, you're gonna get to the end of the street here and then run the stop sign. Is that what's gonna happen? I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Yeah, just a preemptive measure because I know the stop sign running is coming. Fuck! Oh, damn it. Should have gone. Yeah, yeah, roll behind. Damn it. Should have gone. Yeah, yeah, roll behind me, roll in front of me. Thank you. It's a fucking stop sign, you shit stain. Stop sign. Stop sign and 2 flashing red lights. You know what that means? It means stop, you fuck nozzles. God damn it. Yeah. Yeah. No! Whoa! Fucking asshole. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, my speed 40, my speed 38. Where's the sign telling me what my speed's supposed to be? Stop sign. Yeah. You need a stop sign. I'm gonna miss those raisins. That was a stop sign. Back there too. Don't ask me why I'm going to miss raisins. It's a long story. Sorry, this pass fail, honey. Total pass fail. Get off my fucking tail, lady. Really. Not in the fucking mood. You fail again, honey. You fail again. For the love of God, go 128 north, please. Tesla direct to the vein! Ah! Christ's sake. Yep. One more, asshole. Yep, there he goes. That's a stop sign, Lexus. That's a stop sign, Volkswagen. And you're supposed to stop Mr. Rogue, not just Miss Rogue. Whatever Rogue. Didn't know. That's a stop sign. Why don't you pull up, dumbass? Let's go. Come on. Are you? Wait, do it. Yeah. Left turn only, stupid. And the moron in the rental. Get off my fucking tail! And the moron in the rental. Get off my fucking tail!
It's a Mercedes.
Fucking van, or geez, it doesn't fucking matter what it is. Get off my ass. Here we go again, kids. Ready? Jeep's gonna blow right through this, isn't it? Yep. Here we go. Let's see, yeah, Pathfinder blew it, and the Accord blew it, and that Jeep just blew it, although it won't show up on the camera. And yeah, it blew it behind me, and rolled it behind me, whatever. Go. There's this shithead. Yeah! You're turning left? There was, yeah. Toyota has to be in the left lane. Time. The pilot did. Pilot had to. Oh, you had to too. Old douchebag on scooter machine. He's around the road. He's around the road. Stops. Don't even try to stop, Accord. No problem. No fucking problem whatsoever. Not here, Highlander. Don't mind me.